to show you guys what I did here with my angle grinder real quick. And this is a really cheap angle grinder, and the on-off button was right here. And when you're fumbling with this, if you weren't careful and didn't unplug it, when you hit this lock gate to get the wheel off to change it, you could actually hit this on-off switch and turn this on and cut yourself super bad. So I got mad, and I took this all apart, and I popped that switch right out, and I filled this in with epoxy just so there's not a hole there. And I moved the whole switch down here, and I put this toggle switch on. I didn't have a guard, so I made a guard, as you can see, so it can't be accidentally activated. And what that did for me is a couple things. It eliminated this switch being accidentally turned on and me getting cut or worse. And I moved the whole switch down so the switch isn't even in that area when you're grabbing it and changing the wheel now. There you go, you can get a good look at that. And this was a hollow space inside the tool, so I just drilled this out and ran the wires down here and got it all rewired. Works pretty good. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.